This presentation speaks to humidifier maintenance suggestions. Quarterly, check UV lamp. Clean or replace as needed to ensure proper operation. Measure relative humidity and repair. Clean or adjust system as necessary to ensure intended operation. Semi-annually, check steam traps, pumps and controls. Clean or replace as needed to ensure proper operation. Annually, check for fouling, corrosion or degradation. Clean or repair as needed to ensure proper operation. Check for evidence of buildup or fouling on heat exchanger surfaces. Clean as needed to ensure proper operation. Check strainers are clean. Visually inspect areas of moisture accumulation for biological growth. If present, clean or disinfect as needed. Always follow manufacturers' suggested advice on how to maintain a particular humidifier. Different humidifiers by different manufacturers may have different practices to follow. Thank you very much. Bye now.